cyclothon initiated by the Rotary Club of Mapsa Millennials. My dear friend, my dear childhood friend Bab Kanak Nashnalkar and Pratik Pilankar have been very closely associated with me ever since we were all young kids. And it is so nice to see that they are finally doing the third edition of the cyclothon. Not one, not two, but three. And a good plan is there are two events. One for the seniors, or you could say experienced riders, with a 50-kilometer ride, and another category for the younger boys, around 15 kilometers. So it's nice to see that they staggered the event two different directions. This ride is going into around 4 constituencies, I believe. Right from Mapsa towards Seolim constituency, from Seolim to Mandre, Mandre to Kalangut, and from Kalangut back, I think Saligaon?
Yes,
Saligaon also, so that's 5 constituencies, and from Saligaon back to Mapsa. And I believe the juniors are going towards
Saligaon
towards Kalangut and then coming back. So a total of 2 events for 2 different categories. And nothing, I just want to say good job guys, continue the good work. I'm always there for you all. That's the advantage of being childhood friends. There is a understanding between us, what you all want to do and how I know that how your minds work. So again, all the best to you all and continue to the work.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm Pratik Pilankar, Charter President of Rotary Club of Mapsa Millennials and the event chair for this year's Cyclothon. This is our 3rd edition. We have been doing fundraisers a lot.
Requesting the participants, if you haven't
last
had your
3
breakfast,
years.
then we have
This is
the
the
breakfast
3rd
counter to the
year
right
of
over here.
our club. We do many fundraisers to help the public and the beneficiaries then support us with their blessings. So we would like to thank our main sponsors and all the MLAs
Please
and
make sure you dump the
constituency
plates in
panchayats
the
for
dustbins
all
provided
the
over here.
support, police, military, everyone, traffic, for all the support and for conducting this kind of cyclothon, which happens, I think, one of the only cyclothons in Goa. So this helps us donate a lot of funds, utilize it for the beneficiaries in multiple ways. So thank you so much. We are coming up with other projects in the future. Aspire Summer Camp is another one big project for us, which will be coming soon and will be launched soon. So you can follow us on all our social media handles and contact any one of us if you need any help regarding health, safety and all other things which we can help you also. Thank you so much for that.
So I'm Rotarian Kanak Nashnalkar, President of Rotary Club of Mapsa Millennials. Today we had a very wonderful cyclothon event. We had a participation of around 300 to 400 participants. Very supportive people over here, and they have contributed to a great cause. All the funds collected from the ticketing will be given back to the community in terms of supporting education and all the other community support. We are very thankful to everyone who has helped us to make this day possible, and all our supporters throughout Goa. Thank you very much. So for this event of cyclothon, we had 2 routes over here. For one was of 50 kilometers, which went through from Mapsa to Kamulem, Seolim, Chopadem, then back from Arpora, Saligaon, Parra, and back over here to the Mapsa taxi stand. And we had another one which was of 17 kilometers for mostly for children, which was starting from taxi stand to Parra, Saligaon, Kalangut, Dolphin Circle, and back over here. So we saw good amount of participation in both the routes. There were, I think, 200 approximately in both the routes. So it was very good participation, very supportive. Thank you very much.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.